And now the next step is to create an assembly so that we can create a corridor. Okay, so for that we go to this, you have on the home tab you have a option here, tool palettes. The tool palette is turned on currently, so here I can find it here. So here I will create assembly. These are the default assembly. You can create, your own assembly, as well. So we will, in the latter tutorials, I will show you how to create your own assembly. For this, we will choose a default one, the basic one. Okay, just choose basic and place it somewhere here so that it's easy for me to find out, because it will zoom and it will be smaller. So I just click it. Okay, you see this one, and I say skip once I have created one. Okay, this is just basically showing it's completed successfully. Okay, so here I have an assembly with the carriageway, curbs, and sidewalks, and even the embankment in cut and fill. Okay, in the both side. So this is the basic row assembly. Okay, we have the assembly also